Welcome once again to Coffee and Bonsai with Tom. Today we're going to do my April updates, where essentially I update you with the status of the various trees I've been working on since the last update. Now you can see here is my little philosopher bonsai artist, and this is the picture I will use in the future for updates. So when you see this, in the thumbnail, you'll know that's what we're looking at. First up, we have my variegated Portulacaria. It looks a little square top here. I may have to fix that. Basically, I think I missed the video on this, but I just gave it a minor trim and removed the rocks. And it's growing well and doing quite well. This next port is a tree I started from a cutting, and we pruned it pretty heavily not too long ago, and you can see it's leafing out and growing like crazy, giving it good food and water, and it's doing well. I may have to thin this out at some point, but looking good for now. This is one of my cork bark dwarf jades. We did some pretty structural pruning on this, and it's looking great. This thing, you cannot be held back. It grows like crazy, and you can see it is doing so now. Looking great, and we'll just let it keep growing and look forward to the next pruning. You can see even the scar looks pretty good there. Now here we have some cuttings from the tree I just showed you, cork bark cuttings, and these things are growing like crazy. I mean, this is 2 weeks of growth. Wait till you see this. Look at the roots on that thing, and they're accelerating by the day. The one on the right is putting out a straight shot. I had several other cuttings as well. They're also growing well, and I will be potting those up soon and probably do a video with that. Next up is my rainbow dwarf jade. It's looking good, really robust and healthy. We did some minor pruning to this, nothing too major. I'm really trying to get it to bush out. You can see it's doing here and here. I put some cuttings in there and not doing so good, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, I may have to pull those out, but there you go. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Next up is what I call my oak tree Portulacaria. I'm not sure I released the video on this or not, but we did some pruning on this. Not too heavy. It was recently repotted, and I want to give it a chance to really get established and thrive in the pot, but looking good so far. This is another cork bark, or at least that's what I was told. It doesn't really look like one. You can see I have some dining philosophers here, which I'll tell you this tree needs because it has had a rough spring. It was a victim of my 2024 accidental overwatering automation, and also was inflicted with scale, but it's looking great now, and I think we're in the clear. This is my Mount Lilliput forest, which we did a replanting on with severe root pruning, and it had some bad soil, and it's looking good. The main tree needs trimmed, quite frankly, and the other ones are also coming on strong, so it's doing as well as I can be expected, and I don't expect any issues with this one. We'll probably be pruning it before we know it. This is my Misfit Jade Forest. I've started watering it now. You can see it's quite plump, and it is growing, and it is definitely going to need a prune quite soon, so look forward to that. I was just waiting for it to recover and grow roots, and it's looking pretty strong. So I can't wait to prune it and get it outside for spring. This is my Golem Jade Forest. These were all recent cuttings, and I was waiting for it to grow roots, and now I'm watering it. You can see it's plump and strong, and I think we're out of the woods as long as I don't overwater it. I really like this one, and I'm looking forward to where it goes in the future, and I'm glad to see that it's gaining strength every day. So I also bought another pot this month. I have been looking for sort of a lilac purple pot for a while. I have a beautiful white tree I want to put in here, and this is by Candied Clay, and as soon as I saw this, I knew I had to have it. It's an oval I'll show you here. It's got some crackle glaze on it. And I mean, the color just kind of blew me away. I really, really like it. So, if you want to see any of the videos of these trees that I have here, they're all, just go onto my channel into the video section, and you can see any of the work that we did to any of the trees that you saw here. And I will put links to the playlists for some of these trees in the show notes. So thank you for spending time with me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.